Hello, so today I'm going to be going over the duplicate list method. So question 2 says, write a function duplicate list, which takes in a list of positive integers and returns a new list with each element x in the original list duplicated x times. So let's go ahead and take a look at our docstring. So when we call duplicate list and we insert a list of 1, 2, and 3, we would be returning a new list with the element that is like X amount of times. So 1 is shown once, 2 is shown twice, and then 3 is duplicated 3 times. Then if we call duplicate list on just a list of 5, we would simply just get a list of 5 5s. So 1 5, 2 5, 3 5, 4 5, 5 5s. So how can we go ahead and go about creating our duplicate list function? So what we know is that we want to return a new list. So let's just go ahead and create our new variable, just call it new list. And for now, it's just empty. And we know that at the end of this problem, we want to be returning a new list. So we can go ahead and just put that here. Now we see that we have a double for loop. So what do you think we could do with our double for loop? Well, we know that one for loop is going to have to iterate through the items in the list that we input, which would be our list. We want to be able to iterate through all of these. So we can do for x in list so that we get our item at index 0, 1, and 2. And then we want to be sure to duplicate x amount of times. We want to duplicate 1 once, 2 twice, 3 times, and like so on, like with respective numbers. So how can we go about in doing so? Well, with our next for loop, we can do a for I in range method or a for I in range call. So that then we would be repeating that X amount of times. So if we had 1, it would repeat it once. If we put in 2, it would repeat it twice. And 3 times, and so forth. So then, in this for loop, we would then be able to add it to our new list. Because the call would be called X amount of times. Cool. And so this concludes the duplicate list function. Thanks.